Okay, here's where I got the extension to work. I made a new VMap, and all that's in it is this logic, which spawns when we start. And I took off the remove on fire, and I put in our one script that basically does everything. And this should be the gaze point that draws to the screen, but I got a null ref the one time I tried it, so I went and commented out the one spot it gets referenced just to get it working. So I don't know if this works now or not, but I took it out. And so this is what's going to be added to every map. And I think you need to compile it. I don't know, but it takes no time because there's literally nothing to compile except for like a script. So it does need to be compiled. It copies, I think, when you do this. And then interestingly, you'll see the game load, and it's black, but you can see the com in it, which is great. So we've done everything we need to here. And I pushed the extend map into the repository. You just need to put it where the maps go. And then what the walkthrough says for creating map extensions is to come and click on this edit info thing, and you get this terrible GUI. I just found where that file was and opened it in a text editor. And this is also inside of the repository now. So the file is called add-on info, and that's at the root of every add-on. So if you go to any add-on, you'll see the add-on info. JK. At least of the ones that, I don't know, maybe you have to hit the button once or something, I don't know. So this has it, but it should just live right here. So now, and I've already added it as an extension, theoretically, to every map. So now if I were to launch the workshop tools, if I were to do this, I think you can skip this step, and you click on, like they say, edit add-on info. These are all the keys I put into just the text file. So instead of doing that, because I already did it, we should be able to just launch Alyx. And then the documentation, I think, is wrong. And I guess it's a wiki, so I suppose I can and should change it. But I think this function is different than it used to be. And at first I was missing this as an error output because I had my script filtering on vscript, so I didn't see these errors coming through. I also would like to know the flag to skip this loading screen, or this valve splash screen. It's like a 10-second splash screen. And it creeps me out. Okay, so I'm going to go into my headset a little bit. Just watch what I do. I guess I'll talk from across the room a little bit. So in add-ons, you should see all the add-ons you've created. And the only one I have turned on, and by the way, on is when it's bright, even though this looks terrible, doesn't. Off, on, it's bright. Glove 2 is on. Now if I start a new game, you can choose original game or add-on map. And this is what I think you have to do, add-on map. I don't know. This is what I've done so far. I just clicked on the extend, start game with add-ons. So now I know for sure that I can open the console. And this is just that blank map I made, that extend map. And you see the comment there. So I know that eye tracking is in here. And I'm not sure what that green spot is. I guess that's my gaze point. So I know it's in here too. So maybe I could re-enable the gaze point. But so doing what they said and deleting my filter, they want you to type this. And you'll notice that doing that says cannot use add-on tool map when not in tools mode. Use add-on play to load a map with a default enabled add-ons. So I think this is no longer this. In fact, I think it's this. And this should be it. So this will be working in the game. I don't know if when you complete the level, does it load on the next level? Or how do you start a game that loads the initial level and then plays through with the add-on included? I don't know yet how those things happen. But this, I think this is going to work. So here I am. And Let's see if I can just grab something. So first I'll just like filter and see if my, so I see the comment Alyx, that's a good sign. My tracking wasn't working. That's not really happened to me yet. So this is what I thought I did. And then you'll see there's some more add-on functions down here. You can see add-on list. And see it shows Glove 2 as a default enabled add-on. So in my mind, this is working. This is the best I've got for you, and I'll take any questions.